Unitree recently unveiled its G1 robot, and much like Boston Dynamics' new electric Atlas robot, it can move like a contortionist.
Forms, and Kelly, that's why investors are trying to figure it as well. Enterprise software has been such a rough place to be invested.
They're studying people and looking at how people behave and how we can mimic these kind of behaviors.
For decades now, the media has told us mega stories about artificial intelligence and human-like robots doing our work. As far back as 1966, Mabel the Robot Housemaid was introduced, which was supposed to be doing our house chores by 1976.
Robot Housemaid. Begin the day with able Mabel. She'll wake you at your preset time.
Although that failed to be a reality, AI, as of now, has successfully integrated itself into our lives. Even though there is still no Mabel, most of us have assistants called Cortana, Siri, Bixby, and Alexa. While these robots cannot iron or wash dishes for us, they can certainly be used to program the oven, turn the lights on, or control the cooling systems. Intrigued? Well, welcome to our channel Elite Neural Networks, where we discuss all things future. Without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Experts today are saying robots will be doing around 40% of our housework by 2033. While this seems similar to the claims in 1966, it is not only backed by data, but also affirmed by formal scientists. Not to mention, all around the globe, AI-enabled robots are being experimented with. For example, last month, the Institute of Automation, Chinese Academy of Sciences, unveiled several humanoid robot prototypes of Q family. These humanoid robots had different configurations and could perform different functions. One robot was seen identifying vegetables, picking, and putting them in the basket. Another humanoid robot was seen recharging a mobile phone and shooting an arrow. Similarly, Boston Dynamics, an American engineering and robotics company, unveiled its new generation of human-like Atlas robots. In a video shared by the company, the humanoid robot can be seen lying on the floor before it stands up and takes deliberate and linear steps,
soldering, and showing off the many ways it can move. Unitree has been competing with Boston Dynamics in developing both two-legged and four-legged robots for several years now. While Boston Dynamics was working on its Spot robot,
given such interest in artificial intelligence, the market is expected to be worth $184 billion in 2024. But it is a far cry from the forecasts for 2030. The market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 29% and reach a size of $826 billion by the end of the decade. Now, let's move on to another major news of last week. OpenAI has launched GPT-4o, its new flagship model, which can seamlessly integrate visual inputs and outputs, audio, and text. It promises to improve the naturalness of machine interactions. In the GPT-4o, O stands for Omni.
Hey ChatGPT.
Hey there, how's it going?
Yeah, it's going really well. I was wondering if you could help me with a coding problem today.
Of course, I'd love to help you out. What's the coding problem you're dealing with?
Okay, I'm going to share with you some code. 1 second.
And it is designed to mainly cater to a larger spectrum of output and input modalities. OpenAI announced it accepts input as any combination of image, audio, and text, while generating any combination of image, audio, and text outputs. Moreover, users can easily expect a response time as quick as 232 milliseconds, which impressively mirrors human conversational speed. Ever since GPT-4 was introduced, it has been making waves throughout the world with its real-life applications. And now the introduction of GPT-4o marks a leap from its predecessor by processing all outputs and inputs through a single neural network. As an integrated solution, it boasts major improvements in audio and visual understanding. In fact, it can perform more complex tasks like generating outputs with elements like singing and laughter, harmonizing songs, and offering real-time translations. The image and text capabilities of GPT-4o are available in ChatGPT with a free tier, and its extended features are available for Plus users. In the coming weeks, a new voice mode will enter alpha testing within ChatGPT Plus. It seems the UAE is not far behind in the AI race. The UAE is, in fact, making big waves by launching a new open-source generative AI model. It is a step taken by a government-backed research institute. The Technology Innovation Institute has unveiled the Falcon 2 series, including Falcon 2, 11B, which is a text-based model, and Falcon 2 11B, which is a vision-to-language model that can generate text descriptions from images. The UAE has recently begun to invest heavily in AI, and this strategy has caught the attention of US officials as well. In a move that was coordinated with Washington, G42, an Emirati AI firm, withdrew from Chinese investments and replaced the Chinese hardware, which helped it secure a $1.5 billion investment from Microsoft. On the other hand, Google has unveiled a series of updates to its AI models and services, including the introduction of Gemini 1.5 Flash, which comes after Gemini 1.5 Pro.
What neighborhood do you think I'm in?
This appears to be the King's Cross area of London.
Together, we're creating a new era.
Gemini 1.5 Flash is a new addition to the family of models by Google, designed to be more efficient and faster to serve at scale. Even though it is lighter weight than the 1.5 Pro, it retains the ability for multimodal reasoning across large amounts of information. The CEO of Google DeepMind, Demis Hassabis, stated that 1.5 Flash excels at image and video captioning, chat applications, summarization, and data extraction from long tables and documents. Demis further stated that it's been trained by 1.5 Pro using a process called distillation, where the most essential skills and knowledge from a larger model are transferred to a more efficient and smaller model. Last week, we also heard about the interesting collaboration between IBM and Tech Mahindra, a global provider of digital solutions and technology consulting. This collaboration seeks to combine the AI offerings of Tech Mahindra and Techem Amplif AIO with the Watsonx AI and data platforms of IBM. It means customers can now combine the Watsonx capabilities of IBM with the AI consulting and engineering skills of Tech Mahindra to access several new generative AI solution architectures, frameworks, and services. It allows the development of AI applications in which organizations can utilize their trusted data for automating processes. It also allows businesses to create reliable AI models and enable scalable AI adoption across on-premises and cloud environments. Kunal Purohit, the Chief Digital Services Officer of Tech Mahindra, determines that their collaboration with IBM will help advance digital transformation for companies, foster business growth for our global customers, adopt Gen AI, and achieve modernization. We can say the collaborative solutions and offerings developed through this partnership could help organizations achieve their goals of making machine learning models using open-source frameworks while allowing them to accelerate and scale the impact of generative AI. Folks, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you want to stay updated on the latest AI news, be sure to subscribe. See you around.